Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a new tab group in Safari browser on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on the Safari application, and in here you want to tap on the tabs button, and then tap on the tab groups down here. And then to create a new tab group, you want to tap on the add button right here, new empty tab group. So you tap on that, and then you give the group a name. So let's say social group, and then tap on save. Okay, so we have now created a new tab group, and in here we can open up a page. So facebook.com. And then I can create again another new page. So we go to say twitter.com. Alright, so I have created two new tabs in the tab group, social group. And if I want to switch it back to this tabs right here, I can tap on that, and that will allow me to go back to my normal tabs. And if I want to go to that social group, I can tap on that and it will show me different tabs. So basically a tab group allows you to group a number of different tabs in that group so that you can easily organize your tabs in the Safari browser on the iPhone 13. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.